Hello children, today in this video we are going to study about the measurement of mass. So as I have told you before that measurement is the comparison of unknown quantity with the known fixed quantity. Suppose you have to measure the amount of potato. Okay, so what you will do, you will take one standard unit, okay, the known fixed quantity, that is 1 kg, and equivalent to that the potatoes will be measured. So what is that measurement? Comparison of unknown quantity. This is potato is of unknown quantity and known fixed quantity with the known fixed quantity, that is of 1 kg. Now what is mass? Mass is the quantity of matter contained in it. That means how much matter is present inside that substance, that is called the mass. Okay, that means we are talking about the molecules. Okay, now what is the SI unit of mass? When we talk about MK system, that is the kilogram. Kilogram is the and it is represented as kg in the SI unit of mass, as an SI unit of mass. Then in CGS system, that will be the gram. Okay, so here when we talk about the higher things, that means the more quantity, we will consider kg. Okay, and when we are measuring small quantities, then it can be measured into gram. Now what are the multiples and the sub multiples? Multiples, that means the higher than the kg. Okay, so here quintal is there. 1 quintal equals to 100 kilogram, and 1 metric ton equals to 10 quintal or 1000 kilogram. And when we talk about the gram, so it is 1 gram equals to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Okay, so it will be 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram. Here you can see. Similarly, the milligram, that will be the 1 milligram equals to 1 upon 1000 gram. So here you can consider that 10 to the power minus 6 kilogram. See, if the zeros are downward, that means the division is there. So in short, when it will come up, it will be power as minus 3. Okay, number of zeros. Similarly, if you are seeing here 2 zeros are there, so it will be 10 to the power 2. Okay, 10 square, 10 into 10 equals to 100. So in detail you will study in maths. Okay, now conversion, here if we convert that is a 10 to the power 3 milligram equals to it means 1000 milligram equals to 1 gram. Then this is the 10 to the power 3, that means 10 cube. Gram equals to 1 kilogram, 100 kg equals to 1 quintal, and 10 quintal equals to 1 ton. Okay, now how you can measure the mass? There are few devices which are very much helpful for measuring the mass. Easily we can measure it. So what it is, here are the balances. This one is the beam balance, this is the electronic balance, this is also the manual balance, and this is called the physical balance. So when we talk about first is the beam balance, we are talking about here the beam balance. Beam balance is just like, you can see here, this lady is using the beam balance. Okay, or whenever you are going to purchase some fruits or some sort of vegetables by the vegetable vendors, you can see they are using this kind of instrument or the device. This is called the tarazu. Okay, so or also known as beam balance. So one side they will keep the standard unit and another side they will keep the things. And what should be there? See, this lady is little poor, so she is not having the standard unit, but somewhere she has found one stone which is equivalent to that standard unit. Kept the vegetable, and here she has kept the standard unit with this equivalent to this. Okay, so 1 kg or 500 grams, whatever is the amount she has to measure, she is doing in this way. Okay, so now how it will be seen that it is equal by seeing the pointer. This is the pointer which is here you might have noticed ever, when it will be in the middle, okay, then only these two pans are in a balanced way. Okay, these two pans are equal. Okay, if it will be tilted this side, that means this one is less, having less amount. Okay, and if it will be tilted this side, then this is less. Okay, so the standard unit is less. So that's why you can see that they keep on altering the things. Sometimes they are adding, sometimes they are removing, and finally they are giving you the that amount, approximately that amount, not exact one, not accurate one, but somehow it is equivalent to that particular known quantity. Children, these are the simple, you can say, made up of cast iron, and they are the standard units which are to be used by the vendors. Now children, see this one. This is the physical balance. Okay, and this balance is basically you will find in the laboratories. Okay, these balance are very sensitive and they can measure a small amount. Even the weight of the thread also can distract them. Okay, so here very small amount, that is a milligram, can be also measured, and this one is used in the laboratories and by the jewelry shopkeepers, by or the goldsmiths. So here because you see that small amount of any substance, that will affect a lot. Gold price, it's at the hike, and a small amount will cost lots of money. Okay, so to measure the accurate and exact amount, this one is used. Similarly, in the laboratories also, how for measuring the salts, or for measuring the components which are involved into the reaction. So a small amount is very crucial. Why? Because if the amount will become more or less, then it will readily affect on the reactions and they will give the wrong product. So for measuring the mass of the sensitive things, this physical balance is used. Another way, these are the manual one, that means done by the hand, and this one is the digital. Simply you have to keep the things, and with the digits it will show you how much weight it is. Okay, so this is about the measuring of mass. So students, hope you all have understood the topics. If you have any doubt or question, you can ask in the comment section below, and the remaining topics will be covered in the next videos. Please like, share it with your classmates, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get my latest updates. Thank you and take care. Mass.